how you load tiles into a kiln if you don't have kiln shelves and you don't have those tile setter things. And this is common when I go teach workshops. Most places don't have tile setters, and you really don't want to put all of these onto shelves because it'll slow the firing down and it'll slow the cooling down. So you do what I call the house of cards stacking system, and you start with one of your shelf supports, and this shelf support has lots of kiln wash on it, and you don't need any kiln wash anywhere for China paint. It's not going to stick to your shelves, and in fact you don't want kiln wash. If I was going to be really particular here and this kiln furniture was mine and I was never going to use it for anything but China paint ever again, I would take all this kiln wash off of here, because you don't want that refractory silica and alumina, silica and clay powder to get into your kiln or into your China paint, because it'll make a really matte area. So what you do here is you lean a tile up against one of your shelf supports, and then you put another one there, put another one there, and if you need a little more, put that on top of there like that. You can really get a lot of tiles into your kiln. The only thing you have to be careful of is that none of this stuff is wet, open, medium.